Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to plant these strawberries. These are seed-shaped strawberries, so they're ever-bearing. They'll bear a couple times a year. I just want to show you that. So right here again, this is the crown. So you see the root coming up. There's a crown. So plant like right up to here. Don't bury this crown or else you'll have root rot. So I have some potting soil, and this is Miracle-Gro, so I don't need to fertilize or anything like that right now. So what I'm going to do is just spread these roots out, put them in here, then cover them up. I'm holding them up a little bit, trying to keep this above the potting soil. Then I push this down. Okay. And then after this, I'm going to come back with some mulch, guys. And then I have another one over here. Like right here, this you can see this one. It has a more visible crown. See right here's the top. It's the top of the crown, so it'll go down about right here. So I'm going to dig a hole here again. Place this in here. Because this is a strawberry planter tower, I'm going to keep this toward the outside. All right. Same thing with this. Dig a hole right here. Yeah. I'm going to plant this right in here. Keep this above, and I won't cover the bottom. And then I'll put mulch over here. All right. Got a little helper today. She's helping me plant today. As you can see, she is fitting up my strawberry tower. Here's my strawberry tower. If you check out my other video, I'll link it in the description. I planted strawberries from bare root. It's incomplete right now. I'm missing a couple, waiting for the rest to come in, and you can see they're already growing. Right now I'm going to come back with some mulch on this. I'm keeping these in the shade so that they will grow better and not get into transplanting shock. And then just going to water this a little bit. If you guys like this, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, support me. And over here I got some more strawberries in containers. Same thing, look, I planted this. I kept this above the line, the crown. And these are Miracle-Gro potting soil right now, so I don't have to fertilize at this time. Just like that, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, check out all my other videos. I got taro, how to plant them in bags. So far they're doing okay. But the key thing here, guys, is keep this above the soil line and keep them in the shade for a couple days. I would say at least a week until they're ready to go out. And then you just stack them like this on the tower. I want to show you that. Got this tower in Amazon. It's about $20. And check out how that looks like. All right. All right, you guys, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. And let me know what you guys like about this video, what else I can improve. And if you guys plant strawberries, let me know. If you guys have a tower like this, let me know what do you do. This thing doesn't rotate, and I put it down into these other drip pans so that I could keep some water in there. Later on, I'm probably going to put a water bottle up here and put a little hole so that it will be like a little drip irrigation out here because I'm in Hawaii, very hot, and I just want to show you where I'm growing this. This is in a outside a little umbrella. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, guys. Thank you.